rubbery individual that we use for raising crops. But what if the seeds that we use doesn't meet our recommendations? What if the seeds are injurious, diseased, or not able to germinate? Or even the soil conditions do not support the germination? So, in order to overcome this, we have a method of seed treatment. So, we would like to demonstrate the methods on and concept of seed treatment. So, what is basically seed treatment? It is a biological, physical, or chemical process that could control the pest soil-borne pathogens and improve the quality of seed. It could be the applications of fungicides, insecticides, biofertilizers, or even the growth regulators to enhance the germination potential. There are several methods for seed treatment, so in order to limit the time, we will stick on to the organic seed treatment.
One of the major benefits of seed treatment is that it prevents the spread of plant diseases. You will know its importance when you learn that more than 1/3 of plant viral diseases, plant diseases are spread by seeds, and it causes huge economic consequences for farmers. And then the second advantage is that seed treatment methods like priming, scarification, and chemical treatment can significantly improve seed germination rate and seed germination rate by breaking dormancy and increasing the water uptake. And then seed treatment with beneficial microorganisms can increase the root development rate and the nutrient uptake efficiency. And another advantage is that soil insects and storage insects, which are a huge menace to farmers, can also be brought under control efficiently by seed treatment methods. And then when a farmer sows seeds, he is of the hope that he will be getting a fruitful harvest. But all his hopes will be shattered by diseases like seed rot and seed blast, which could have been easily prevented by seed treatment. Now, these are all some of the advantages of seed treatment. There are many different methods of seed treatment, and each has its own benefits. So one should choose a method that will solve their problems. Okay, now these people will show the method.
So here we are going to demonstrate our method. Our method is actually very cheap because the main ingredients are cow urine, water and seed. For this method we have to take cow urine and water in 1:5 ratio. And mix it well. Then we have to take a piece of water, put the seeds inside and tie it well. Soak the seed inside the solution, and after 30 minutes we have to take the seeds and keep it in a shaded region. After drying the seeds, we can directly sow the seeds in the field.
This organic seed treatment may not be as effective as the synthetic seed treatment, and also it have the seeds that treated with this organic seed treatment may have some shorter lifespan, and also it also requires some special handling and storage techniques for maintaining the efficiency. As a conclusion, we can say that if we are adopting this organic technique before sowing the seeds, then it will be beneficial for increasing the production and yield, and also it will be helpful in eradicating some of the fungal and microbial diseases. And as it contains cow urine, it contains microbial action, and also it helps to control the fungal diseases. Yeah, and as an agriculture student, I can suggest this technique to the farmers, and it will be a beneficial technique to them.